Sorry, fam. Just trying to catch that. All right. Just in case I catch somebody out there that isn't working. So we're looking for a 2-bar play on the 2-minute chart. So I mean, I already got X, A, I got B at the 38.2, C the retracement. So I'm looking for a D, which is gonna be a little pop up above real quick. So we're just a little scout play, just a little quick scout play is all I'm looking for. Just added a few shares because I assume we hit the 38.2 here. So my next stop is going to be 916, 917. I just added a few shares just to make a couple of extra bucks. Like I said, a scout play. Pretty much the same thing I did on the play I just got out of. But let me break this down to the 2-minute chart so we can see if we're going to get the 20 over the 200. So I like to see the 200 actually curling up, 20 curling up, and the 50 curling up. If you get all those curling up, they can really explode. Unfortunately, I got the 200. It's still kind of in a downtrend, as you can see. Still kind of in a downtrend for me. It looked like it tried to do a little pop here, but couldn't quite get it. Let's see if we can get one here. NXTD. And NXTD is at $1.40 now. Shoulda held, shoulda held. It's all right, no regrets. No regrets. Hit my target and I got out. That was all I was expecting. Change this out real quick. Taking a little longer than what it needs to. Taking longer than what I like to see for the 2-minute over the 200 to play out. A little longer than what I like to see. I don't like to see it start curling. When this starts to curl down, not a big fan. Needless to say, not a big fan. So let's go take a look at, here, let me do a split screen, flexible grid. Oof. This right here was the 3-bar play that I seen on NXTD. NXTD, what's our other play we're looking for? VXRT. VXRT should be on the left of your screen here. Let me get the 2-minute chart back up. See if we can catch this live. Come on, 2-minute chart. Get on through there. NXTD, what a beast. What a beast. So the 2-minute play was, I think like right here. I'm sorry. The 3-bar play on NXTD. I think I was on the 5-minute chart. 5 or the 15. Let's see. Yeah, it had to be the 5-minute chart. Might even been the 2-minute chart. Let's see was like I saw a huge push up, then it consolidated, and then there was another. As soon as I seen that huge push up was where I added shares. Was I on the 5-minute chart? Yeah, I don't like the 200 I don't like the 200 to be pointing down when I'm trying to get the 2-minute pop. I don't like that 200 to be pointing down. I like all three of them to already be pointing up, so I may not get it out of VXRT. Yeah, I'm sorry. So it was a four bar play on NXTD is what I saw. Oof, what a beast. So I saw this push here, and I saw it rest. I got in on this push up. I already knew what was going down. You had to really be there. It pushed and chilled, and then boom, this was my next bar. So I sold somewhere up in here, probably, nope, I sold somewhere down in here. So it must have been this one. I'm sorry, I lied. It was this one. A push up, a resting bar, and then this one pushed me above my 88.6, and that's all I was trying to get out of it was the 131. But I mean, now we can come back and chill. It can either pull back or it can keep running. I got what I wanted out of it. I got what I was expecting, so we'll move on from there. VXRT. Oh, I'd like to see another push up. I sure would like to see another push up. I did also. I took some of these winnings. I rotated some. I rotated some winnings in VXRT, and I rotated some in AMC. So I like how AMC is coming and retesting this $60 area. So I did buy a share. I did buy a share, and we'll see what it does. I'm just here to scalp. I'll be out of AMC tonight because I don't like the overnight holds. So I'll be out of AMC tonight, whether we go up or whether we go down. I'm just trying to see if it's going to make a after hours push. So looking at AMC, VXRT, and XTD I'm done with until it decides what it wants to do. I'm sorry, NXTD I'm done with till it decides what it wants to do. Scalping AMC and scalping a couple of shares on VXRT. Was wanting to get this 2-minute pop, but my 200 day MA is still in a downtrend, so I don't like that. I like to see my 200 MA on the uptrend. You see the rejection here, you could do the same thing here. As long as it's in a downtrend, you can still keep getting rejected even though your 20 starts the uptrend. Your 20 is your shorter trend line. And really, those were my only winners for today. NXTD and maybe HTZQ. Those are my only winners. That's why I like to have a diversified portfolio. Got a couple of them going down. Oh, come on, HTZQ. Got up to 783. I didn't see it start slipping. Maybe just testing this 50-day MA. That's all right. No stock goes up. No stock goes completely straight up. Sure would be nice to see a parabolic move. Let's see if we can scroll out. See what the resistance is. Yeah, still looking for that 832. Now I don't know if it's gonna be resistance or I mean, as much liquidity was building down here, I don't know if it might just pop above 832 and keep going. Good. I'm gonna leave that up just in case it come back for that test. Is that about 783? 786. I don't know why it's really testing this noise over here. The struggle is real. The struggle is real. Come on, VXRT, give me something to play with over here. Give me just a couple extra dollars. I don't need much. I'm not greedy. I don't know why DLPN is on my list. Maybe ready for a little uptrend. Broke down out the pennant here. Broke down. Maybe ready to start swerving back up. DLPN. Givo. 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 Fake out, breakout on Givo. Just came up here and tested this little noise right here. And bears came and pushed it all the way back down. Definitely don't like this. Bearish hammer. Bearish inverse hammer candle. Not a fan of that. It's only 2:30. Yeah, it's 2:30. We got a half hour to decide what we're gonna do with Givo. See what GME got going. GameStop. Still struggling at the 50, it looks like. A little bit. A little noise up here. Don't count them out. As soon as everybody take their attention off of AMC. This was an excellent play for today. Excellent play. Man, I can't wait to get my capital back up. This could have been a major move. That's all right. It happens. It's learning. It's called tuition. It's called paying your tuition fees. Sugar Made still chilling. Nothing up, nothing down. All right, then. Sugar Made actually sold off for today. Shrimp sold off for today. Started strong and sold off for today. Maybe get a little pop end of day. Maybe get a bullish. We'll see. Tilray. I knew Tilray was about to reverse because of this RSI, but it still feel like it wants to come grab this 1826 mark. Yeah, no luck on the. Don't look like I'm getting anything. But I mean, like I said, we're not surprised because of the 200 still pointing down. I mean, you might get something out of it, but not much. sell my shares back to VXRT. Put that money back in somewhere useful. I still feel like we can make an up move, just not a powerful one. I don't know if it's waiting for the bell or what we got going on. A lot of them act like they were waiting for the after hours to do any real movement. Looks like we could be headed down RSI. Nah, it's fine. Low, nah, we're good. Nah, we're good. RSI is fine. Well, HDII trying to make a last minute rally. Just need you to pop above that 200 MA. I don't like HDII, but it could rally up here to 2.5 cents. It's one of my long holds, but I wouldn't suggest it. Oh yeah, we used to use these in school all the time. Yep, cool. Don't break the lead, because you won't have no lead to write with. Ain't no more after that. Let's see what we're looking for here. Look for HDII. Ooh, if HDII do some railroads though, I wouldn't be mad about that. Even if we finish at 0.16, 0.016, I'll take it. I'll take it, because the sucker had my portfolio in the red. Everything else pretty much a break-even day. Besides my winners, everything else has been break-even for the day. I'll take that. Take that over a L. Wonder why this is stalling. Let's take a look at it. Oh, this was my loser. This was my loser for today. Slept. Pshong. Pshong. 4 hours. 4 hours of nothing but L's. Ask nephew. Ask nephew to fill it up with water. Because you're not going to drink. Don't drink out that cup. Huh? There we go. There we go. Little noise, little crossover, a little crossover. Give me some bullish momentum. But like I said, I'd be surprised if it did one of those pops. There we go. We're getting a little noise out of them. A little bit of noise out of them. That's just because it has bullish momentum. Like I said, 200 point down really doesn't constitute my style of the real true break above the 2 minute on the 20 on the 200 on the 2 minute chart. This is just bullish momentum that's pulling this up. Like I said, I look to go to 916 NXTD. Man, beautiful NXTD. Way to go. Way to go. AMC. Watch out for this little 4-hour. Still struggling at that $60 mark, huh? Somebody's holding the keys. The keys. Got some resistance or what? We are about 15 minutes to the end of the session. So VXRT is actually weird. Might struggle here at the 884 mark. Either way, I'll take that change too. Noise. Nobody wants to make an end of day run, huh? I told y'all, bull flag in the downtrend. I told you, boom. I told you, boom. It's /ES. Nice, good to see. Boom, 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 boom. Let's go. /NQ. Run away with it. Run away. Pull these up. Pull the rest of these stocks on up with it. That's probably what's pulling AMC up. It's probably what pulled NXTD up. Take a look at Bitcoin. God dang it, you better be just testing this little area right here. Get on back up there. You still ain't hit this resistance. They finna stretch. Probably finna stretch it out on them. Probably finna stretch it out. VXRT losing its grip. VXRT lost its grip. Tell me you're just testing the 50. Make sure it's real. So yeah, Bitcoin, maybe testing this zone here. I don't know. Keep an eye on it. Well, as we get ready to wrap this Monday session up, looks like there are no real renters for me today. Did see Wish trending today, and it looked really good. I haven't, well, it did good. It still did good. Started at the 10s, made it up to third, 11, call it 12, $2 move. Not bad, not bad. I mean, a lot of my stocks were flat. A lot of my stocks were flat on the day, outside of NXTD. Everybody else seem to be losing their grip right now. See what it does. If it squeezes within here, breaks down, I'm out. Breaks up, I'm still out no matter what. Just a day trade. AMC is just a day trade for me. And don't be in my comments telling me I do it for the culture. End of day traders taking profits. So odd how /NQ is running up, but the tech plays are selling off. Not a good look. So I am wondering if they are either A, melting up, or B, we'll hear more inflation news that directs us in a positive path for this week. Couldn't get a little pop out of there, huh?
How's Iris? You know Iris? No, I don't know nobody named Iris.
Everything's selling on. Got me checking the news on
Iris, come on, got it.
but I mean we're in the
You don't know anybody named Iris? I don't know nobody named Iris.
oversold conditions area, so that's good.
Hey,
Now we can make
try
a
before you get hurt. I'm not doing it.
buy the dip, make a nice little run back up.
Got it, guys? Fuck out of here. Get out of here. Stuck on this. Oh.
5 minutes to the close. I'm just Gonna go check my other account, see if I can buy the dip on Givo. Just for a scalp play for tomorrow. Givo. Could say hold down. Hold out and let's see what it does. I actually ended up a $1 loss on the day, $2 loss on the day so far on Givo. See what it does after hours. Maybe that was just to shake out the latecomers and the weak hands. Like I said, it seems like a lot of these stocks want to move after hours. All right. Who wants to make some money? Apparently not AMC. Apparently VXRT does. I like the little end of day rally by VXRT. Show me something strong. I do not like the end of day sell off by Givo.
You think you know me?
That's it, ladies and gentlemen. Nothing really exciting for you today. We'll see what's in store for tomorrow. Hope you all made money today. Happy trading. Stay blessed. Thanks for tuning in. Rich.